চ্যানেল সাকসেসে স্বাগত। আইসিডিএস সুপারভাইজার নিয়োগের রিটিন টেস্টের ফল এখনও জানা যায়নি। এখন নির্দিষ্ট করে কেউ বলতেও পারবে না, তার কারণ লকডাউনের মেয়াদ তো ক্রমে বেড়েই চলেছে। তো যাই হোক, ক্যান্ডিডেটদের প্রস্তুতির ক্ষেত্রে, বিশেষ করে কম্পিটিটিভ পরীক্ষার ক্ষেত্রে ব্যালেন্সড ওয়েতে চলতে হয়। আর এই ব্যালেন্স ডায়েট যেমন আমাদের দরকার হয় শরীরের ঠিকঠাক গ্রোথ বা শরীরের যে হেলথ, যেটা আমাদের সেই ফিজিক্যাল হেলথ যেটাকে যদি ঠিকঠাক বজায় রাখতে হয়, তার জন্য যেমন আমাদের ব্যালেন্স ডায়েট মেনটেন করতে হয়। কম্পিটিটিভ পরীক্ষার পড়াশোনায় যদি সাফল্য লাভ করতে হয়, তাহলে কিন্তু তোমার পড়াশুনো রুটিন সব কিছুর মধ্যেই ব্যালেন্সড ওয়েতে চলতে হবে। একপেশেভাবে এখানে চলবে না। তুমি যদি মনে করো যে তোমার সাবজেক্টের নলেজটা খুব ভালো করে রাখবে, তাহলে তুমি মাথ করে ফেলবে, ব্যাপারটা কিন্তু তা নয়। আবার কেউ যদি বলে যে সাবজেক্ট সে কবে পড়েছি ভুলে গেছি, ওগুলোকে এখন আর দেখবো না, বাকি সব দেখে নেবো, এটা করলেও হবে না। তোমাকে ব্যালেন্সড ওয়েতে চলতে হবে। তুমি একজন আজকের দিনের ইয়াং পারসন, সেই ইয়াং পারসনের অ্যাটিটিউড সব কিছুকেই সে ধরবে এবং সব কিছুর মধ্যেই তার একটা বলিষ্ঠ ছাপ রাখতে পারবে, সেভাবেই এগোতে হবে। তো আমরা আজকে দেখছি জয়িতা চক্রবর্তী, সে নিজেকে কিভাবে তৈরি করেছে, কতখানি ব্যালেন্সড ওয়েতে আছে কি নেই, সেটাও আমরা দেখে নিই। জয়িতার কথা শুনি। ইন্ট্রোডিউস ইয়োরসেলফ, জয়িতা।
Thank you, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in your honorable platform. I am Joyita Chakraborty from North Chobbish Pargona district of West Bengal. In 2017, I completed my graduation from Maharani Kashishwari College with English honors. Since 2018, I have been taking preparation for government job, and now I am a private tutor also. In my leisure time, I love to listen to music, read storybooks, and spend some time with my family and friends. As a person, I'm self-motivated and hardworking. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Is your residence in municipal area or in semi-urban area?
No, sir. It is under Boranagar municipality.
Boranagar municipality. And who is the head of this municipality?
Yes, sir. Apurna Maulik, madam.
And what is her designation?
Sir, are you asking about designation?
Designation, I mean how she is regarded, as chairman or mayor, or what is his identity as the elected member? Chairman or chairperson?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chairperson or chairman?
You are a private tutor.
Yes, sir. I'm a private tutor.
To which classes do your student belong?
From class 9 to BA final semester.
From 9 to BA final semesters. That means you to teach even
Yes.
honor students.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Why do some people say that the age of Pope and Dryden is the age of prose and reason?
Okay, sir. Actually, Sir Pope and Dryden was actually a kind of authors who focused on the Renaissance activities, which was a very important period in England. If we look at the writings of Pope and Dryden, we see some elements like if I talk about Pope's writing, we can mention a famous piece like Rape of the Lock. In Rape of the Lock, he mentions the frivolities of 18th century England society, where England was about to drown and it was about to forget its own culture, and basically it used to focus in the very flawful things of the society, like basically the women. He focused on the women's characteristic through the character Belinda. The women, instead of focusing on the education or growing their personalities, they used to spend the time on attracting the men and stabilizing their position in the society.
And that's why the age is called age of prose and reason.
Yes, sir.
I think you have studied the novels of Jane Austen.
Yes, sir.
What were the Jane Austen style of writing?
Jane Austen used to focus on the women's upbringing. If I talk about Pride and Prejudice and Emma, both of the novel, in Pride and Prejudice, Jane Austen focused the character called Elizabeth. Among the five children in the family, Elizabeth was the one and only children of the Bennet family who raised her voice against the so-called matrimony, and the reason why women were so much attracted to stabilize their position in the society, because there was no way to getting a good position except marriage and matrimony.
What is neoclassicism?
Sorry, sir?
Neoclassicism. What is neoclassicism?
Sorry, sir. I heard about the term, but right now I cannot remember the actual definition.
Can you explain catharsis?
Yes, sir.
Then explain.
Okay. Catharsis is a literary term usually used in tragedy, especially in Shakespearean tragedies, where the audience, while watching the drama on the stage, or the reader while reading the piece of the drama, then they are going through an emotional purgation, where the audience are actually getting exaggerated by the emotion for watching the heroes undergoing so many flaws due to his own fault, and ultimately, after all these kind of incidents happening due to his own fate and due to his own flaws, ultimately when they are going to the purgation, this is called catharsis, the peak of the emotion, where the purification of the emotion is happening.
Purification.
Yes.
Releasing of strong emotion. Releasing from strong emotion, that is catharsis. Have you heard about West Bengal government's Loko Prasar Prakolpo?
Loko Prasar Prakolpo, sir?
Yes.
Sorry, sir. I didn't hear about it.
Oikosri?
No, sir.
Shikhasri?
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Okay, Shikhasri is a scheme developed by West Bengal government, and it was originated. It's a brainchild of our Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, madam, and the scheme focuses into the candidate pursuing higher education, who, in spite of having the merit, cannot undergo through the higher education and achieving their dreams. So the West Bengal government tried to help them in pursuing the higher education by giving them educational support.
Is there any specific category mentioned there?
No, sir, there is no specific category.
Why do you want to be ICDS supervisor?
Sir, when I was going through the qualification requiring for this ICDS supervisor job, and I was going through the whole job profile, I thought that that job would be suitable for me because this job requires a hardworking and patient person who can actually cooperate not only with the higher authorities like CDPO madam and sir, but also he or she can cooperate with the lower designated, I mean the Anganwadi Komi or Sahayika. So I think I'm a very patient person and I can organize the whole thing very carefully, and I can take care of the lactating mothers and the other beneficiaries who are under the scheme.
Do you know how many registers are maintained in ICDS center?
Total 11 registers books are there.
Can you name them?
Okay, sir. Right now, I can remember the 6 name. Can I say it?
Yes, go on.
Okay. Immunization or vaccination. Then there is a growth chart, and there comes the pregnancy and delivery record. Then there is a preschool education. Then there is a family record, family detail, and then there is probably the. Sorry, sir, I cannot I cannot remember the last name.
Last name. What is your hobby?
Sir, I like to listen music, read books, and sometimes watch films.
And what is your latest book you have read?
Sir, recently I have read Saranjit Chakraborty's Fanush.
Fanus.
Yes.
And what's its theme?
What is it? It's actually a very modern kind of novel focusing upon so many modern characters living in Kolkata and their lifestyle. How the people of Kolkata are actually forgetting their tradition. I mean the culture or tradition of their old people. But at last of the novel, we get to see that they are actually blending upon the characters and they are reuniting with themselves. And they are older. I mean, the older family of the characters are actually very helpful in reuniting the hero and the heroine.
Why are the people of Calcutta forgetting their culture?
Actually, sir, in my opinion, they are not forgetting. Actually, sometimes if we look at the new generation of Kolkata, I mean the Bengali people especially, they are not forgetting the culture. They absolutely love their culture. I mean, for example, Durga Puja. Durga Puja is coming on its way in 2021. It is in October. So we feel very happy when any kind of Bengali traditions are on its way. But sometimes we don't feel the urge to celebrate it. I mean, in the older period of time, our parents or our grandparents are actually used to celebrate these kind of occasions with the arts. That didn't mean that they had to celebrate it. They really loved from their heart. But in case of new generation, they are actually celebrating it for the celebrating purpose. I mean, they are not loving the deities. They are just loving the celebrating happening around themselves.
Good. Who are there in your family?
There are my parents and my grandmother.
And what is your father?
My father is self-employed. He's a business.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ। তোমরা তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছ, জয়িতাও দেখতে পাচ্ছে যে সাবজেক্টের আলোচনায় সে যতখানি উজ্জ্বল, জয়িতা কিন্তু ততটাই নিষ্প্রভ সাবজেক্টের বাইরে বেরিয়ে। যে ব্যালেন্সের কথা বলছিলাম আর কি, সেই ব্যালেন্সটা রাখতেই হবে। তুমি যে গভর্নমেন্টের আন্ডারে সার্ভিস করবে, সেই গভর্নমেন্টের যে স্কিমগুলো সেগুলো সম্পর্কে জানবে না, এই করলে কি হয় সেটা জানতে হবে। লোকপ্রসার প্রকল্প ঐক্যশ্রী সম্বন্ধে সে জানে না, সে নিজেই স্বীকার করেছে। কিন্তু শিক্ষাশ্রী সম্পর্কে সে যেটা বলেছে সে ঠিক বলেনি, এটাও মানে তার ভুলভাল উত্তর হয়ে গেছে। আর সাবজেক্টের যে প্রশ্ন করা হয়েছে সেই প্রশ্নের উত্তরটা লেংদি না করে একটু প্রিসাইজলি বলতে হবে। তোমার জানা আছে হয়তো অনেক, কিন্তু তোমার উত্তরকে প্রিসাইজলি বলতে হবে, যেটুকু চাওয়া হয়েছে সেটুকু বলতে হবে। অস্টেনের যে রাইটিং স্টাইল, সেটা নিয়ে বলতে গিয়ে ক্যারেক্টারের যে অত ডিটেলস, এতটা ডিটেলসে যাওয়ার দরকার নেই। তো এই উইকনেসগুলো ওভারকাম করবে, দেখবে তুমিও যোগ্য হয়ে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।